Yeah, man. Right now, my earth right now. You see what I say? Yeah, man, nation people. First thing I gonna say, R.I.P. to Boom Dandimite and him family.
He's gonna go straight home though?
And the whole scare them crew. And the whole of dancehall fraternity. Right now, I'm about to flip the script, nation people, because I want it wicked. Yes. I sure do. I sure flip the script, nation people. Yeah, me I say. Right about now. Jano, dancehall, lose a true pioneer. Is what me I say. World boom. No gimmicks thing not that about it. Just remember, say, I scare them first. Bring in certain type of style and fashion in a dancehall. When you talk about the colored hair, when you not talk about the dressing, when you not talk about even the scooter them on the street. Not joke shit not that about it. Scare them create that impact there. Is what I say? Yeah. So, for see, right now, it come like I get scared them and get back together because the man them start get certain show right about now. And it come like World Boom they ever get for do the show them, my brother. I don't even know what kind of tragedy reach World Boom, you know. I don't know what go on, you know. But here what go on, people. World Boom meet in a car accident. Then after 3 road me. World Boom meet in a car accident. Go hospital. Admit and thing. Here's where I say, yeah, and then claim say World Boom recover. You see me? And World Boom do some bomb sat there and fly out. Here's where I say, because him have some show for deal with and thing. I remember say the man all book for Sunfest already and all them shit there, you know. Here's where I say, and thus I got start take on the street in the rascal fine country them, you know, because the people them start deal with it. The people them start give the man them some bookings right now and thing, you know. All of a blood clot son of dog. World Boom forward, see? From the hospital. Do some fly out and forward in the state. You see what I say? I don't know if I perform the dog that perform or what. Anyway, them say the G drop down, see? Faint way. Them rush with the G at hospital and thing like that. All we can hear, yo. The G drop and them a say right now the doctor them a say a ras clot, blood clot and pneumonia and them shit there. So someone know how the Jamaica doctor them never see all of them shit there before them let out World Boom out of the hospital. Me a talk like the blood clot because me no know sure about the pneumonia thing. Me no know if it's true. Him just a leave from Jamaica forward in the state and you don't know it's a different change of climate. Me no know what really go on, but John know. It's unfortunate no bumper ass clot no people. Yo, my Bex plus Patex, you know. No gimmicks thing not that about it, you know. Yes, what I say, because World Boom then does start get back some highlight for start, rip some show now, you know, and eat some food, you know, my brother. Yo, true, you know, man. Yes, what I say, but bless up, you know, to World Boom, you know, and them family, you know. Bless up to the whole scare them, you know. You see me? Bless up to the whole dancehall fraternity. Because when you talk about style, and flavor. You see what I say? And flair. You can't get no better than bumper clot scare them. You see what I say? So R.I.P. to World Boom every bumper clot time. No joke shit not there about it. You see what I say? Dancehall, I can't believe. World Boom gone too soon. No joke shit not there about it, my brother. You see what I say? Right now that shake up the blood clot dancehall. No lollipop thing not there about it. You see what I say? Them youth they are true pioneer to dancehall. You see me a whole heap of strength them youth they give. Crazy artists. All artists with them even them name bigger than even them man they name in a dancehall. And when you talk about strength, a World Boom them said we. You see what I say? Jano, me Bex plus Patex no bumbo rascal. You see what I say? I can't believe that. You see me? Sad news. I never want to hear that, brother. Is what I say, I never look out for that. What me that look out for, you know, have a see, you know, say the man them start get back some bookings now and the man them will get things together, you know. You know what I mean? And I ready to go shell the place, you know, my brother. And at that reach world boom, you know. I can't happy for that. Is what I say, R.I.P. to Boom Dandimite. You see me? And them family. And the whole scare them fraternity. No joke shit no dead about it. You see what I say? Dancehall really miss. I got miss you dog. No lollipop thing that about it. I wanna see the man them organize boom box. You see what I say? And I get themselves together. And I deal with certain things. What they are in England, I see the man them with all Lexus them and them shit that the man them I get them thing together, my brother, and I ready for go touch the road with the clip them load. And as thing organized and thing lookable, you right now and food for go eat as well, I say, and that each world boom. I'm sad, my brother. You know what I mean? No joke shit not dead about it. Yeah man, no games business not dead about it. I'm sad. Yeah man, my hurt. You know what I mean? Yeah, no lollipop thing that about it because a long time you don't know say you don't really hear from scare them in terms of a crew. I not talk individually. But for sister, well then, yo, the man them rise up boombox, you know, my brother, and I get beer highlighting all over the world, you know, my brother. And stay so, you know, right now, you know, and things line up, you know, right now, you know. For the man them start touch overseas, you know, and dominate back the place, you know. Is what I say in terms of go do work and eat food, you know, my brother. And at that reach world boom, I can't happy for that, my brother. You see what I say? Yeah man, my hurt dog. No lollipop thing that about it. You see me? Yeah man, cause the man them put on boom box, you know, during the pandemic I go on, you know, really entertain the people, you know, my brother. And things lookable, you know, things start look up, you know, my brother. And you gotta tell me say world boom not even go there for inherit what go on, my brother. Eh? My hurt. I not laugh with it, people. You see what I'm saying? A gimmicks thing that about it. You see what I'm dealing? Yeah. No joke thing. You see me? Yeah man. One of the most excited crew that when you talk about scare them in terms of blood clot, flair and excitement. No joke shit not dead about it, no gimmicks thing not dead about it. You know what I mean? When you talk about style and flair, you know, you can't go past scare them, you know, my brother. We should have cool, you can't pass scare them, my brother, if you talk about style and flair. Yo, John, as me say, R.I.P., you know, to world boom, you know, and them family, you know. R.I.P., you know, to scare them crew, you know. You see what I say? I say, yo, R.I.P. to the whole of dancehall, you know. We lose a true born pioneer, you know. You see what I say? Boom Dandimite, you know. The gimmicks thing that about it in a nation, people. We don't know how I represent already, you know. A real way, you know. Gaza way, you know. There's no other way, you know. No lollipop thing that in my game, you know. No gimmicks thing that about it, you know. You see what I say? Yeah. So I have to know, say, well then, yo, you're here, dancehall. You just know, say, right now we're up on a weeping rascal time right now. So right now, I expect for the whole of the show no condolence. Is what I say to Boom Dandimite and him family. The whole of scare them crew. Is what I say. And the whole of dancehall fraternity. You know the general, the 10-star one, I represent. What? World boom. Oh.